throw all of your old earbuds away because these are the new king. Let me show you why. So I'm on a phone call right now. She can barely even hear me, but I'm gonna turn on the talk mode. Here we go. All right, can you hear me now? She can't hear any background noise. This is crazy. I don't know how this is happening. The super mic built inside of the case with dual mics and beamforming, it cuts through up to 95 decibels of noise like nothing. Kind of windy out here. Can you still hear me? Dang, this is actually wild. You can just hear me perfectly. And when I'm off the calls, the sound is absolutely insane. These have all new redesigned 12mm drivers with a PMI dome and a TBU surrounding. So the bass actually hits harder, the highs are cleaner, and the distortion drops to like nothing. They're also LDAC and high-res audio certified. So music just sounds stupid good. Plus you have the Nothing app, so you can adjust all your settings and you can even build out your own personal sound profile. So the audio gets tuned to you. They also have real-time adaptive ANC up to 45 decibels. They're IP54 sweat and dust resistance, Bluetooth 5.4, and 22 hours of battery life with the case. So these things go all day. These things are literally the king of earbuds. If you want the best earbuds in the game right now, grab the Nothing Ear 3s. Links in my bio. You'll get $30 off when you purchase through their website anytime between the 9th and the 21st of December in this holiday season.